Right, so we are inside Brownstar Accounts. So I'm going to show you the functions that are available on Brownstar Accounts. So to start with, we have income. So under income, that's where you record all the transactions that are related to your business income. So here we have invoices. That's where you can create your invoices. Here you can process your invoice returns. You can capture your receipts for your invoices and also for other incomes. And then here you can do your quotations. And here you can do your sales order. And we have customers. That's where you can create customer accounts. So to create customer accounts, you just click here, new customer account. Then you put all the details of the customer, right? Then we have expenses. So under expense, that's where you record all the expenditures for the business. So we have the first one for recording admin expenses for the business. Then we have record purchases, purchase orders, and then make payments. This way you can capture payments for the business. We also have vendors. Vendors are basically your suppliers for the business. And then let's move on to banking. So under banking, that's where you can record all the banking transactions for your business. So here you can see withdrawal cash transactions, then deposit cash transactions, all of them, then transaction, transfer cash. You can all see the transfers that you did here. So if you want to add a new transaction, just come here, new transaction, click here. This is a withdrawal, deposit, transfer cash. And then if you want to do a bank reconciliation, you can come here. So now we are not getting into much detail. We are just showing you the functions that are available. We'll do videos that goes into detail later on. So let's move on to accounting. So under accounting, that's where you have your chart of accounts, which is generally all the nominal ledger accounts that you need in your system. So we have the nominal ledger that comes with the system. So if you want to add more accounts, you can just click here, under new, then you can be able to add them. You can put the code for the account, the name, and then the account head, which is basically the account type. Is it a bank account? Is it an expense? Is it an investment account? And then here we have effective date, which is the date that you want that account to start working. Then opening balance, that's where you put your take on balance. So let me go back to chart of accounts. So here we have a list of your chart of accounts. And here you can choose to view your chart of accounts according to different account type. If you want to see the direct expense only, you can see them there, and then you can just say filter. Then you can see only the direct expense accounts. Right, here we have account groups. Here we have imports. You can also import your nominal ledger into Brownstar accounts. And then here we have inventory or stock. So if you are in the business for selling products or services, and if you want to capture them inside Brownstar accounts so that when you're doing your invoice, you can process them quickly by simply picking the items that you are selling. So you can create them here. So you can just say new product, and then you can put all the details of the products here, the price, the description, the sales price, everything. You can put them here. So yes, so here we also have categories. You can put your products into different categories. If you're moving from another system to Brownstar accounts, You can import here. You can import your all your product items inside Brownstar accounts. Right. Let me go back to inventory. So let me take you to manage stock. So under manage stock, that's where we can be able to do stock journals. In accounting, we call them stock journal, but in simple language, it means adjustments to your stock. Here we have issue of production. Let's say you are in the production in manufacturing company. When you issue out raw materials and other products, you make use of this function. Then we have receive for sales. We have record transfers and record wastages if there are some items that are no longer functioning. And then let me take you to employees. So here, that's where you can add all your employees uh, in Brownstar accounts. So you can capture all their details, um, their names, their email address, their username, their designation. You can also put them here, and then you can put them. You can give them different roles here. So if you are the owner of the business, you can select owner. If you are the accountant, you can select accountant. So if you're an accountant, you can only create accounts, account heads, and can add and update and delete records. Then we have staff, they can do some updates and does not have access to settings. So we have sales team, they can only deal with items that are related to sales. Then we have employee, these ones is access only to payroll. So this one is mainly meant for the HR people and other people. And with HR has access only to payroll features. So after that, you can then say save here. Then you have a new employee inside the system. So here, that's where you can manage your payroll. So you can run your payroll here. We are not going to get into detail on the technicalities of it, but here that's where you manage your payroll. Then here that's where you deal with your leave request. So if your staff members, if they want to request leave, you can all do it here. So we have awaiting approval, approved and rejected and everything. So we will share them in detail in our training courses. Then here we have reports. So under reports, we have different classes of reports. We have financial reports, we have other reports, we have sales reports, expense reports, inventory reports, reinvestment reports, work reports, payroll reports, and gain and loss reports. So there are many types of reports here. So like the balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, you can have them here. We have the ledger, we have the cash book, journal register. We have the sales reports, which shows you all the detailed reports about your business sales. And we also have the expense reports, inventory reports, which can show you the stock that is available in your system, the inventory valuation, the stock valuation, warehouse-wide stock reports according to the warehouses. We also have them here. Then we have gain and loss reports for your business. Then we have payroll reports here. We have payment advice, breakup by employees, breakup for employee, which should be showing basically the deductions and the incomes for the employees. So and then on top here, we have new. So here, that's where you can create. You can quickly create a new invoice. You can capture expense, you can capture receipt, you can capture purchases, purchase order, product, or create a new customer account. And then we have dashboard. So this one will take you to the dashboard, where it will be showing you how your business is moving. So in this company, we have not yet created any transaction. We are just using it for demo. And then let me take you to profile settings. So here, that's where uh, you can set up your system and profile for the users, the user who is logged in. So if you click on profile, you can upload your profile picture. You can see the contact number. You can put your email address, and then all the details about this employee or the user can be shown here, like role, present address, birth date, permanent address, blood group, gender, and then we have work information, employee number, payment type, bank branch, banking details, all the information you can capture them here. And then we have salaries details, his salary structure, um, and then we have leave details. We have user activity logging. This is where it can show the activities that the user did. So if you want to reset your password, you can just click here, then you'll be able to reset your password. So that's all about Brownstar accounts. Let me see if I left something here. So if you want to log out, you can just click here. If you want to contact us, you can click here. So that's all about Brownstar accounts. So remember, Brownstar accounts is a cloud-based accounting software. So you can access it on your mobile, you can access it on any device that is internet access, anywhere you are. You can use it in any country. Also, Brownstar accounts, so it combines accounting software and a payroll software. So it's a very, very good software, and it's very user friendly. You don't need to be an accountant for you to use Brownstar accounts. If you know how to use a computer, you can use Brownstar accounts. And Brownstar accounts is also very affordable, because currently it's going for 399 per month, here in South Africa, and in other countries it's going for 25 US dollars only per month. So that's 25 US dollar or 399. It covers for unlimited users. So all the users in your company, they can use Brownstar accounts, and you have unlimited transactions, unlimited everything. So it's a very affordable accounting software, and it's very stable. It's very good, very stable, and also it's available 24/7. It has a 99% uptime, so it's always available, and it's very secure. Your data is very safe. No one can access it. It's very strong. It has bank standard security features. So thank you very much for watching this video.